For option A, we know that nitrogen and hydrogen reacts to form ammonia, which is NH3. The balanced chemical equation would be shown as N2 plus 3H2 gives us 2 moles of NH3. According to this equation, 1 mole of nitrogen reacts with 3 moles of H2 to provide us with 2 moles of ammonia, that is NH3. For option B, out of the two, the reactant that is completely consumed in the reaction is the limiting reagent. From the above equation, it is clear that one molecule of nitrogen reacts with 3 molecules of hydrogen.